Hi, I'm Scott with Android Guys. Today I'm going to show you a couple of earbud options. Consider this more of a for your consideration. Earbuds come in all shapes, sizes, prices. You could spend anywhere from $30 to $50 on a budget pair, all the way up to $300-$400 for a premium brand. So a lot of people, when it comes to buying, get their first set, they don't want to spend a lot of money. They're not quite sure what they want. So I want to tell you about a pair or two pair of headphones, earbuds from Blue. These are the Aria Pods and the Pod Plus. So like smartphones, Blue manufactures a less expensive alternative to other brands. So if you're looking to get your son or daughter a pair of earbuds, or if you're a student, commute, and you worry about maybe running out of, losing your earbuds and you don't want to keep replacing them with something expensive, these are going to be a couple of pair to consider. They're very similar. They very compact. Excuse me. This is a $20 pair. This is a $30 pair. So the Aria Pods come in a white. You can see little magnetic case. It is plastic, so it doesn't feel super like premium or anything. It's just like a nice compact capsule pill thing you can throw in your pocket. The Plus is a little bit more like a metal material, and then when you open them, pull them out. So the difference between these, and really you're looking at $20 and $30, this is going to give you about 3.5 hours playback of music, or 3.5 hours or so of talk time. You're going to charge them up and get right around 9 hours total out of the case and the earbuds. Whereas the Plus are going to give you about 18 hours. You're going to get almost double the time. And you're going to get roughly 6 hours of playback for music. And I believe it is 4 hours of talk time. So you're going to get quite a bit more for $10 more in your budget. So if you're shopping on a budget, $20, I would recommend going maybe a little bit higher, 30. You get into 30 or 50 bucks. That's a pretty good option for earbuds. These are both Bluetooth 5.0, 5.1, so you're going to get easy to pair. You're going to get 30 plus feet from your music source. So you put your phone in your pocket or put it down while you're washing dishes or riding to school. You can listen to your music that way. So nothing fancy. But something you might want to consider if you're out there shopping. You can find these on Amazon's website, where you can purchase them. You can also learn more about them at Blue's website as well. If you have any questions, let us know. Give us a comment. If you've never been here before, let us know what you think. Like us, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and all that jazz. So, thanks.